Ukrainian-made Magura V5 drones are proving surprisingly effective against Russia's Black Sea Fleet, damaging warships and forcing them to relocate. Mauritius clarifies that a recently signed amendment to its tax treaty with India is not yet in effect. A new UN report warns that climate change is creating a dangerous workplace for millions of workers around the world. UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak is pushing forward with a controversial plan to send asylum seekers to Rwanda, despite legal challenges and criticism from opposition parties. The rules around star campaigners, governed by the Representation of the People Act, 1951, dictate expenditure limits and campaigning guidelines for political leaders designated as star campaigners by their parties. Recent controversies prompted calls for stricter enforcement and accountability from the Election Commission and potential legislative amendments. Taiwan's dramatic improvement in earthquake resilience offers valuable lessons for regions like India, which are prone to earthquakes and undergoing rapid development. Domaraju Gukesh's win at the Candidates Tournament cements India's rising chess power and sparks a call for more elite tournaments in the country. While antimicrobial resistance is a growing threat, drug discovery remains a complex hurdle. The tools and collaborations that can expedite the development of new life-saving medications. A new report by the WMO and Copernicus found that Europe is warming twice as fast as the global average, resulting in more heat-related deaths, wildfires, and economic losses. The Amicus Curiae report in the Supreme Court highlights the prevalence of candidates with criminal cases winning seats in the 17th Lok Sabha, emphasizing the importance of voters' right to information about lawmakers' criminal antecedents and the need for transparent access to trial progress, urging for a dedicated online platform for real-time updates on criminal cases against legislators. The Election Commission formed a task force with officials from various agencies to assess the impact of heatwave conditions on voter turnout during the Lok Sabha election, particularly focusing on the first phase and addressing concerns about potential weather-related challenges in subsequent phases.